But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is it's like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of simply sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever the heck you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back testing, looking at where it has done this in the past. I tell you what time to look for these things to form. That way you're not just going around and looking at charts blindly. Go right to these specific times of the day. That's where it's going to form. For those people that go back in their old data and their old charts and they study that, they see it, they don't need me to do 50 examples of that. They don't need to see me do it live 50 times a week. They're sold on the idea. Okay, there's something here. It merits more investigation because I see the evidence of this thing occurring. It's not contrived. It's not conjectured. It's not made up. It's not fabricated. It's really happening every day. And once you see that, you don't need to have anybody else to cheerlead for you. You know, okay, there's something here. I'm going to mine that. So I give you just a few models so that way you go in and you now start working on the skill sets that are required. Not veering off course, hopping from one PD array, one approach, fair value gap, inversion, fair value gap, breakers, market maker models, buy, sell. There's 1,000 things out there that I teach. Every individual one of them is a model. Every single one of them is an individual model. But I give you, this is the best way to learn. I'm allowing you to pick your weapon. I've opened my arsenal doors. So here it is. Look what I have here. Pick your weapon. But nothing changes when it comes to time. Time of day, these things occur at specific times, certain days of the week, certain weeks of the month, certain month of the year. I'm allowing you to bring your personality, your personal influence, because you're the problem and you're the last puzzle piece. See, some of you are sitting around here, you're writing diligent notes, you're doing this, you're doing that, and that's wonderful. But you're all waiting for that last penny to drop. The last ICT puzzle piece. And then it's all going to come together. It's all going to be crystal clear. Once he tells me this one PD, the 81 PD arrays, final last one. That's it. That's it. That's the Holy Grail. No, it's not. If you walked over to your mirror right now, look at yourself real quick. That's the final puzzle piece. And it's always been you. You're the reason why you succeed, and you're the reason why you haven't succeeded yet. And ultimately, you and you alone are the only reason why you're going to fail. That's not me talking down to you. That's me telling you the way it is. That's just the way it is. Are you coming to me for a constant dose of something new, but have done nothing with what I've already given you?
Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, chat. How are we feeling, boys and girls? Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Welcome in, welcome in. Hit the like button. Say what's up in the chat if you're not shy. Don't be shy, boys. I don't bite. At least I've never met anybody that I've bitten that didn't like it. So say what's up in the chat, boys. Hit the like button. Hope everybody's doing well. What's up, Mr. Gamoody, Level-Headed, Gabe, Sugar Dandy, Nika, good morning. Market Maker, good morning. What's up, Crypto Surfer, Hindsight King, Big Head Reef, good morning, everybody. What's up, Alex, Roger, Erwin, good morning. Good morning, guys. What's up, Corey? Ben, good morning. Diego, Easy Trades, Felix. Good morning, chat. Hope everybody is doing well. Happy Monday. TGIM, boys and girls. We got about a minute here until market opens up, so we'll jump into the charts. Let me turn the background music down a little bit. Just like SAR. All right. And looking quickly here at the economic calendar, just a quick heads up for this week, boys. We don't have anything on the calendar for today. But we do have on Wednesdays going to be really the main driver this week. I'm kind of expecting more volatility as we get into the later part of the week. FOMC on Wednesday afternoon. So just quick heads up. Plan of schedule for this week is going to be live today, tomorrow, here in the morning, and then Wednesday no trading in the morning. We'll be planning to be live in the afternoon after the rate decision, and then in the morning again Thursday and Friday, boys and girls. But yeah, no news today as far as the economic calendar is concerned. And let's take a peek at where we're at here in price. We still have this new day opening gap from Friday that was left at 990. We still see price kind of pushing higher here. Again, another new high already put in. With the overnight session trading during Asia. There's our opening bell, by the way. So yeah, we'll have to see what this wants to do. I mean, looking here, 4 hour, 1 hour, there's not really the 4 hour imbalance. Most recent one has been traded into and then produced this new high. And then here we are on the 1 hour time frame, currently kind of trapped between two hourly PD arrays. We have hourly bullish holding, hourly bearish holding. And we do have some unfilled inefficiency down below this hourly swing low from the open on last night. So this is kind of an area to keep an eye on here. If we want to go swipe 343, and then maybe see a reaction off of that sell side level. But otherwise, yeah, that would be kind of the low hanging fruit draw here. I would say off the opening bell volatility, but my eyes are still on that 990 level. If we see a lot of displacement through here and, a displacement below these swing lows here on the hourly, I think 990 could be in play, boys and girls, potentially. We'll see, though. So that would be kind of a decent sell-off, though, wouldn't it? This would be, yeah, it'd be pretty decent sell-off to go there. But yeah, so we'll keep an eye on this. We'll keep an eye on 343 first. See what kind of reaction it wants to give. We are trading below London and Asia right now. I'm looking for SMTs with Dow. We do have an SMT at the high on the 4 hour with Dow Jones only. Dow Jones kind of looks like shit. Not gonna lie. Dang, Dow Jones is pumping now. Holy shit. As soon as I said that, Dow Jones is literally flying. Oh my gosh. We got Dow Jones moving up. We got NQ moving down. ES moving up a little bit as well. All right. We'll keep an eye on this, boys. But yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. What's up, Elias? What's up, Scott? Some lags? No, there's probably some lags. I think there's like a 5 to 8 second delay, I think, on YouTube. Depending on your intranet. Why isn't there a vote that says, I don't know? There's a vote that says chop. We got 58% of the chat is bullish today. 30% bearish. So most of you guys are feeling higher prices. Everybody's wanting more all-time highs, boys and girls. My bias today, well, hopefully I just answered it a little bit with that little spiel I just gave, but you know, we're kind of just in that mode at this point where it's like, you know, expect sell side below short-term lows, and then, you know, anticipate bullish higher time frame order flow to hold until it fails, right? So, I mean, it protected us well last week, especially even at the end of the week, but. Yeah, so I mean, what would be my scenario to be bearish in this price action? And for me, it would probably involve me needing to wait until this hourly and 4-hour candle closed, and I would have to see, like I said, some displacement probably through 343, and just strong momentum and closure below that low going into 10 o'clock. That would probably be what I would need to see to entertain any, you know, short scenarios. Otherwise, you know, swipe the lows. We're already trading below London and Asia. Maybe we see 343. If we see price start kind of finding some support and creating some bullish PD rays on the lower time frame back up, then probably just want to stay inside with longs. So, but yeah, that'd be probably my bearish scenario for me. Is obviously waiting for that 4-hour, 1-hour close, seeing a lot of displacement and heavy closure to the downside, and then go from there. But yeah, we are out of sync right now for sure. We got NQ pushing to new lows. We got ES and NQ, or ES and Dow Jones pushing higher. So a little out of sync at the moment, chat. A little out of sync. But that's all right. We'll wait. We'll wait. Yeah, decoupling. What's up, Blue 60? Good to see you, man. What's up, Michael? Good morning, chat. Man. Well, I guess we did not have any, at least unless I missed a headline, I don't think we had any, like, direct, super important Iran news over the weekend, but obviously had the incident at the White House Correspondents' Dinner with the potential shooter. Always something on the weekends, though, isn't it, boys? Always something. Let's see. I don't think there was any other headlines, though, right? 5 hours ago. Oh, there was. Oh, I guess I take that back. There was a little one this morning. So it said 5 hours ago that Iran said that they were said to open the Strait of Hormuz without nuclear deal. That was 5 hours ago this morning. Just a heads up on that. He wanted the steak dinner but got rejected. Yeah, crazy, dude. What's going on with that, boys? What's going on with that White House Correspondents' Dinner? Any tinfoil hat conspiracy theorists in the chat got any opinions? Let me know. Let me know, boys. But yeah, we'll wait here. See how this 15-minute wants to close. We're only 7 minutes into the open here, so we'll see, boys. But yeah, I think easiest plan of action will be if we get a swipe of these lows. Maybe we don't even see 343. Maybe it's kind of already acting like it's rejecting Asia low here. And we might see this turn. If you guys are bullish, though, the only thing, obviously there's SMT here now, right, with that Asia London low. Even with ES here on the left, my mug's kind of covering it a little bit, but obviously higher lows here, lower low here on NASDAQ. If you guys are looking to be long already, would probably recommend ES. To be honest. We'll drop down to the 5. Turn that off. Yep, mixed bias as well, Rinks. Yep. Just waiting to see, after we swipe these lows, what kind of reaction price gives. The only bear scenario for me is if we see a lot of displacement and heavy closure down on this hour and 4 hour below these lows. But if not, I don't see a reason to. If not, I don't see a reason to fade the bullish order flow. Didn't get shot. Yeah, I thought that was interesting too. Apparently he opened fire but didn't get shot at. I thought that was surprising. Trade 2. I don't trade really a fixed risk reward, Aman. I trade, it could be, as long as it's over like a 1R, I'm honestly fine with it. I obviously would prefer to be 2R plus. But it really just depends on where my targets line up, right? I'm trading usually towards a draw. So if that draw is 1.5R, 2R, 2.5R, 3R, I guess that doesn't really matter. The bigger the risk reward, obviously, the more likely I am to take partials, right? But yeah, I don't trade based off of a risk reward. I trade really more so based off of what I think the draw on liquidity is. But obviously, the better risk reward, the better, I suppose. Would you still trade if you were Chinese, or would you start a surprisingly successful dumpling stand? Well, it wouldn't be surprisingly successful. It would be like the success of my dumpling stand would have been promised to me at least 3,000 years ago. But, you know, I would argue also that if I was Chinese, perhaps I'd be, you know, even a better day trader. You know what I mean? A rising tide lifts all ships. Maybe I'd do both. Trader by day, dumpling stand owner by night. Yep, last week of the month as well, boys. Yep. So last day of the month, I believe, is Thursday, right? And then Friday is the 1st of May. So yeah, we could see, obviously, this monthly candle. Let's go take a look at it. Monthly candle's been I mean, look at this fucking monthly candle. This is actually my first time looking at the monthly candle, if I'm being honest. I knew it probably looked absurd, but that's funny. So yeah, could see some retracement later in the week here to kind of print that upper wick on this candle. But yeah, what a month. What a month, boys. Oops. All right, 5 minute looks kind of weak here. I'm not gonna lie. We got the first 15-minute candle closure in 4 minutes. Still think we get maybe one more drop down here. ES kind of pushed up here to this recent high. Dow Jones is just soaring. Chinese tourists in Minnesota. I have not. But if Tyler Jacobs is in the chat, maybe he has. He actually lives in Minnesota, so that would be more fitting. Issues with TopStep support. All their answers, ChatGPT. Dude, fuck TopStep. I don't know, boys. Like, are you even a real trader in the prop space if you aren't like, kind of like middle finger to TopStep at this point? Whether you are an affiliate or not, I feel like everyone's kind of just like over the bullshit. Well, that's the sentiment, it seems like. At least. What's up, Sean? A 12-hour FEG again. No way. Let's check it out. Another 12-hour FEG. Oh, yeah. 343. Oh, yeah. Another 12-hour FEG. Hey, listen. Another 12-hour Devil's Mark candle as well. 990, that daily or that new day opening gap. What did Top Step do? Oh, dude. If I told you, you wouldn't even believe me. What did Top Step do? What didn't Top Step do, bro? What didn't they do? The fact that some of you guys are not up to speed right now, I'm a little concerned. Have you guys been under a rock this whole time? Guys, I had more faith in the chat than this. What's going on? Well, the most recent thing that everybody's complaining about is the changes to the basically the plans with, they made it like $5 a month cheaper or something like that, and then they cut the payout cap in half. So that was probably the most recent thing. I also saw some stuff about them, but they've been quietly doing different weird shit with their live program as well behind the scenes with these different changes as well. I saw some people posting about their live, some of the quiet changes that they made to the live program that they didn't really announce. They just kind of switched the rules in the back end, but that's the most recent thing that's caused the most uproar that you're probably seeing on Twitter. More clips. But it's seemingly just kind of been one thing after the other for like probably the last, year. April PA 1 to 10. Listen, this might be a controversial take. My least favorite week of this entire fucking month was and it's the only week that gave me problems. It's the only week that gave me problems so far this entire month. Knock on wood. Hopefully we have a nice week this week. The only week that I thought was retarded was the week where we just did nothing but go straight up all the way to all-time highs. It literally made no sense. Every other week, actually, there was logic in price. I like, just in my opinion, but it is what it is. But rating the PA, like I said, man, that was the only week that I had an issue with, to be honest. Which, it got better as the week went on, but it took me like 3 days to adapt to that. I'm like, is this really happening? I'm like, is this really fucking happening right now? I almost couldn't believe my eyes. What did you learn from your losing streak? That most of fucking trading Twitter is retarded. And that everybody on social media is rage baiting. But no, what did I learn? I mean, you're asking that like you're trying to get some deep philosophical answer out of me. Listen, this is trading. A lot of times, there's times you're going to be just totally wrong, and conditions can change on an instant, and you got to be willing to adapt. And the longer it takes you to adapt, the worse off you're going to be. So, it took me a few days to adapt, and luckily I was able to recoup some of the L's there with a couple wins later in the week. But, that's just part of trading. Not the first time. Probably won't be the last, if we're being honest. There we go. There's 343, by the way, boys. New 15-minute candle. See a move down here to 343. Let's see, guys. This hourly close is going to be pretty important. I think, though, if we see a lot of reaction and sensitivity off this level, we got, obviously, You guys know the play here to these highs. But yeah, if this just continues to, like if the floor drops out on this and we just see heavy displacement lower, then it might be having a different conversation here in a little bit. All I know is most of the chat is bullish, so I'm assuming everybody's expecting us to get a bounce off this low, which maybe tells us that we're tanking, boys. Yeah, it is. The chat is really lopsided. I'm not gonna lie. It's gotten more lopsided with more votes. The chat is really lopsided for higher. We'll see more clips, man. We got to be patient. We got to be patient. More clips. We don't know yet. Maybe we're going down. Maybe we're going up. Maybe we're going nowhere. You hold your horses, more clips. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are watching like your other charts as well, I mean, you're seeing now the hourly candle on Dow Jones has totally flipped. The hourly candle is now bearish after a pretty nasty pump to the upside here in the first 20, 30 minutes of the open. Yeah. We'll have to monitor the situation, boys. We'll monitor the situation. Nobody do anything you're going to regret. Everybody act natural. Don't scare it. Don't scare it. Everybody act normal. Nobody make any sudden moves. Word on the street is if you don't move, it can't see you. We don't want to scare it. Chop until FOMC. Yeah, I mean, like I said, my expectation is a little bit lower for the beginning part of the week compared to what I am expecting later in the week. So what does that really mean? That really just kind of means any trades more likely just trying to get low-hanging fruit. But yeah, man, I guess we'll see. You know, can't speak too boldly. A lot of the times we've had, you know, ever since Trump's been in office, it's like you could have one expectation one moment, but then, you know, the charts are showing you something totally different. So it's just kind of been, yeah, one of the odd times. Open for longs now. I'm open to it. Yeah, if we get what we need to see here. If not, then, you know, like if this hourly candle just is a behemoth and closes, you know, in the 4 hour, a behemoth that closes quite bearish, that's where it's, you know what I mean? That's where it's like, damn, you might want to be open to the alternate, which is price on the next hourly candle to open, manipulate higher, you know, and then eventually distribute lower. You know, so I mean, obviously make no mistake about it. I would make the argument that we're still in a premium, but that kind of really hasn't mattered up to this point, just because even though we're in a premium, we just keep going higher. And right now, not a whole lot of. We were getting some reaction initially to 343. Now we're kind of just continuing to sell off here. Dude, I can't even make my... Dow Jones can't make its mind up, bro. Are you guys watching Dow Jones right now? Is anybody else watching Dow Jones? This is fucked, actually. Look at the 5-minute chart on Dow Jones. And try not to throw up. Holy shit. Pardon my French. Wow. That's insane. Dude, Dow does not give a singular fuck. Yeah, Dow don't care. Guess we could pull it up here, but you guys probably can't see it. I went to this 2-chart layout on the stream screen share just because I was trying not to block the charts from you boys and girls, but unfortunately my noggin blocks the charts anyway, so. Unless I go to this layout. I don't know which one you guys like more. Oh great, my camera's messed up on that one. Never mind. I have to fix that. Oh actually, shit. I don't know if you guys like this layout more or not, but my camera got all fudged up here. Which one's like easier for you guys to see, I guess? I don't know. Oops. Or does it not really matter? The other one's better. Hide my face. Should I just do a faceless, no camera stream? Go back. Yeah, it's kind of a mixed opinion. This one's nice just because you guys can see more on the chart, I think, but some of you guys like this one better. Makes no difference to me, really. That's not what I'm looking at, so. Go back. All right. You know what I'll do? How about this? Screw it. We'll just do NQ. The Lone Star. Here we go, boys. Look at this reaction. This is what we want to see now. I don't know if I need my stop this big or not. We'll see. I'm going to drop a limit, though, on 363. Yeah, it's kind of a big stop, 56 points, but I'm trying to cover all of these inefficiencies in here just in case of, like, some big pullback, but might not. I mean, we'll see if we get picked up first of all, but might not need that big of a stop. Runtime error. There we go. Is it going to pick me up, or is it just going to hit this little fair value gap and run? So I guess one thing to watch just here as we get into the top of the hour is going to be, I'm going to want to be picked up on this before we trade into this hourly bearish gap that's left up here, which is these highs here, right? So the hourly high is right here technically. So I guess if we trade to here, I'm probably going to consider this trade also left without me. Hourly closure in like a minute and a half. Hey man, shut the fuck up. Welcome to the VIP room, bitch. Don't tell me how to trade. Which chart should you use to trade NQ? Because the mini is pricey. I mean, I'm using micros right now. Micros, if the mini's too heavy, man, use the mini for charting though. Like if your levels, I got the mini chart pulled up on my other monitors here, so I mark out these levels on my mini chart, and I, you know, like if we hit them on the mini chart and we don't hit them on the micro chart, I consider them taken. But local horny milfs? I don't know. Does your mom is your mom from Wisconsin? Or is she somewhere else? Where does she hang out at? Yeah, let's see if we get the retracement here, chat. This did give a 5-minute change in the state here. It's just such a big ass, you know what I mean? It just feels like a kind of a giant stop, but I guess you could go try this. New hour just opened up. But yeah, I don't know, I might just stick with this entry here. Hope for a fill. Waiting for the 5-minute FEG? Yeah. Kind of missing the macro then, aren't you? Who knows? Maybe we get a similar thing to Friday where we get the 10 o'clock macro kind of begins the move and sets it up, but then maybe we see a big retracement like middle of the 10 o'clock hour, and then like it finally 11 o'clock macro gives us the move back up. I don't know. We'll see. I'm wishful thinking kind of a little bit right now. But yeah, I like the setup here. It gave us everything we wanted to see, right? 343 sweep. Left some really nice smooth trendline liquidity here as well to go take out. And in the macro, gave us a nice shift here. Change and stay higher with really strong displacement, V-shaped recovery. Really everything you'd want to see in a long opportunity here, I'd say. There's a 5-minute gap on ES. Which model? I don't really have a set model. I'll trade anything, man. I'll trade anything, man. I don't care what PD array it is. Give it to me. TRADEIFY is down. Is it? I don't see it anywhere. The Dragon Ball Z pattern is showing long. What's the Dragon Ball Z pattern? Sounds like I could be interested. I had to delete this to get the limit back on here quick. Not gonna lie, I'm a little worried that if we see price strong move up here and closure above here, that this, maybe this is it. But got a 3-minute gap tag. 3-minute gap tag. Oops. Felix is in already. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get 363 fill. Twould be quite nice. Oh. I mean, this pullback, like if we get like an OTE here, I'm well above even 50%, I think. Let's see, OTE. Yeah. But yeah, it's like a 2R up to this external, or I'm sorry, it's like a 2.4R to the external high. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm just, my thought process here is like, am I willing, if we see price, you know, close back above this high up here, these bodies, do I want to just hop in this with my stop at the recent low? Give it a little chase. Give it a little chase. Probably wait for this 3-minute closure above there. Looks the cleanest, maybe, yeah, 5 maybe even, because we printed that 5-minute down close. So 3 or 5-minute closure, I would say I would be open to it. Otherwise, let's see if we can get this fill, man. Give us the fill. Fill me. The old school cat and mouse. Long to your wrong, pretty much. I guess. You know, at least we're getting like a little manipulation here though. Like we're getting some lows swept, and like this is a good setup in my opinion. Oh, come the fuck on. Don't you dare. Get the hell out of here. Are you shitting me? I got so close. 364? What the hell? And so it says the low of that candle is 364. Right? And a half. One more wick down, perhaps? Por favor. Don't be a tease. Don't be a tease. Anybody get ticked in on that wick? No? Do we get the... Might have been a little bit more of a wick on MNQ, but yeah, so it wicked on E-mini as well. If it doesn't come to you, don't even want it. I felt that. I felt that. Yeah, I mean, if we don't get picked up on this, then I'll wait for that 5 and 3 minute that I just mentioned, and I'll try to play that. But looking like we could get picked here. Come on, boys. Grab that entry. Grab that entry. There we go, boys. I'm in. I'm in there at 364 even. Now, what are we going to do? But I really like the setup, though. I really do. I guess this would be one of those setups where if it does fail, like, I guess you can't even really be mad at it, I don't think. You just say, what the fuck, and move on. You know what I mean? Could see a deeper retracement, though, right? If we want, like, OTE of this. As long as we don't get, like, a 98% retracement and still hold the low, then we should be fine. I'm cooked. Oh, no. Maybe I am. I guess we'll find out. Someone's about to get cooked here. Some of the chat says I'm cooking. Some of the chat says I'm cooked. But either way, boys, we follow the plan. I said if this happens, I'm going to play it, and I'm playing it. I would take this setup. I would take this setup again if I saw it. Probably fairly likely that we could need some patience, though, as we are outside the macro now. So I am going to be patient with this. My break even in kind of that first target draw is still that hourly gap up here above, what is this, like 433. So yeah, I want to see us move above these highs towards this hourly gap, you know, protect the trade, go risk off, and then try to, you know, shoot for some of these targets up in here. Could maybe even look to, you know, gap fill could be kind of a target one. You know, I don't want to be too stingy after we start expanding up above here. 2R even is right here. Basically like minus 50. minus 0.5. Did get a 1 minute inversion. I like that. Can we keep it going? Got the inversion here on the 1 minute. Didn't quite get to OT though, did we? 50%. Held nice with the bodies. Now we wait. Hit the rejection block too on the 5 minute. 50% of that 15-minute wick holding nice. And hourly wick. New all-time highs. Maybe. Yeah, definitely think Asia high could be in play here for ES. ES is a little closer than NQ is, obviously. So, but yeah, I think Asia high could be in play here for ES to be taken. That could be a target as well. So yeah, let it play, boys. That's my plan. I'm trying to be patient with this. I don't want to jam stop the break even too early on this, just because, like I said, this could take some time. 10:15 here. New 15-minute candle is about to open up. And yeah, I'm just gonna let this work. We know how the 10 a.m. candle has been lately. A lot of choppy back and forth, slow. Your entry was OT. You might still get that entry, man. You might still get that entry. I would not be at all surprised if I'm being honest. Yeah, we got ICT versus the trend line strat here. Is anybody shorting the down? We must have a couple people shorting the downtrend, the trend line here. You're thinking of trading trend lines on Monday and ICT for the rest of the week? Hey, if it works. I'm using TradeSyncer, Felix. Yeah, it works well. I would say the only issue is like you probably do want to delete and reestablish your connections every week just to be safe. There have been times when I haven't done that, and then I have copy trading problems the next day if I don't do that, like on Monday. So I've just made it a habit, like Sunday night, just reconnect my connections. If you do that, you should be fine. All right, guys, OTE, I think of this range coming in here. Hopefully we don't get blown out. Oh. Did I speak too soon? We did SMT this little 1 minute low with the ES. We'll see if it matters or not. I don't know. $10.20. Yeah, give us the 1020. Give us the 1020 macro pump. Yeah, not the dump, the pump with a P. Kind of just flirting with the entry, boys. Patience, patience, patience. PA outside the macro is dog shit. I agree. Would be nice if we reclaim the gap. I agree. Yeah, like I said, boys, my plan was that I might have to be patient with this trade. So, I mean, it's kind of going according to schedule. It can really come anywhere down in here. As long as it doesn't hit my stop loss, then it's all right with me, I guess. My stop loss is your target. Yeah, it was kind of a mixed opinions as soon as I took this trade, but I don't know. I guess we'll see, man. I've been wrong before. But plan followed, risk managed. If you get stopped, you get stopped. I don't like the question, Abdilababa. I feel like people only ask that question when they're trying to decide if they should copy the trade or not. If you don't like the trade, don't take the trade. I literally outlined this way before it ever happened, that if this played out how it played out, I was going to try the longs. So you notice how I don't have to think about executing. If I had a plan going into the trade, I just execute, and whatever happens, happens. Like, from this point, it's out of my control. Like, obviously, I don't want to lose, but I don't control what happens here. Nerves getting to you? You're probably oversized then. You might be a little oversized if you're that nervous. Are you still nervous? Let's see what 1030 does, guys. He's like, yep. Now I'm nervous again. Old NASDAQ. Yeah. This maybe it plays out picture like similar to Friday. I mean, this is quite literally how Friday went, boys. If you guys remember. Why are the likes low? The likes are low every stream. I don't know. I think it's because I'm not a woman and the chat is sexist. Might just have to leave the free streaming on YouTube to the women. I might just have to join the other men in the trading space and just do a private paid group from now on. How feminine of me to think I could live stream and compete with the Tanyas and the Lumis of the world. What was I thinking? What a dumbass. Because of no giveaway. That's the only way you're going to get a giveaway, by the way. And here's all the giveaway tickets just in the last like 3 weeks. I would almost make the argument at this point I've given away more accounts than any other fucking streamer in the space in the last month. No love. Show us your boobs. My boobs have chest hair on them. You might not like them. All right, guys. 10:30 incoming here in a few minutes. Looking like that's going to be our best hope here for any sort of volatility injection in this hour before 11 macro. You like him hairy? Ugh.
You know, and I'm not judging you, but I'm just saying everybody else is gonna.
Oh, yeah. Just a couple of traders hanging out on a Monday, boys. Just hanging out. Do I know any gay traders? I don't know. How much are you paying me? You know, I'm not gay, but $20 is $20. I'm not gay, but a TP is better than a stop loss. Like, are you going to sit here with a straight face and tell me you wouldn't kiss your bro for a 100% win rate? Let's be fucking so for real here. Oh, you be doing tricks on it. Yeah, it's only gay if you like it. It's justified if you're doing it for trading prosperity. It's kind of like that meme that went around on TikTok for a little bit there. If you got 100 grand for every back shot your homie gave you, how many back shots you taking? And it's like all these guys stitching it like, I ain't gonna lie, man. You'd have to pull him out of me. Yeah. Yeah, that's well, welcome to 2026. All right, 10:30 here, boys. Let's see if we get one more manipulation here. Don't fucking stop me out. Hit the OT and respect, you bitch. SMT did not hold here. All right, that's as low as I want to see that ass go. That's as low as I want to see that ass go. Don't go any lower, please. I guess we didn't hit that gap. Maybe you could go lower, just don't hit my stop. I don't care. I actually, to be honest, as long as you don't hit my stop, I guess I don't care how low you go. Just don't hit my stop, please. Thanks. Don't go that low. Yeah, I don't care what anyone says. If this trade loses, market's a scam, and I'm right, market's wrong. What? At least Dow Jones is going up. Now she's getting a little too close for comfort. Draws lower. Nah, you're wrong. Timeout. Yeah, I'm not wrong here. The market is if it falls through here. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what anyone says. You can't time me out. Welcome to my dictatorship. Hit the like button, boys. Hit the like button. The more likes we get, the more chance we get of not getting fucked. This Aqua fair value gap is doing me wonders right now. Let's keep it up. Get above here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't be mean. Don't be mean. Don't be scammy. Don't be scammy on a Monday. Don't be scammy on a Monday. There we go. Get it up there. Yes, 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 NASDAQ. Keep going. Yes. Inverse that gap with some speed. Show me some speed. Let me see some fucking speed, bro. Come on. Yes. Yes. Get going. Speed. You want to see some speed? All right. Not the best close, but we can work with it. We can work with it. Come on. Everybody give NASDAQ some encouragement. Encouragement, yes. Yes. You say it with your peacock chest. Your peacock. Encouragement, yes. You guys know what I'm talking about? What's that fucking movie called? Fuck, what's that movie called? Oh. Here we go. Guys, I need this from you right now.
I am so sorry I'm late. I just swam from the other side of the island. Please, allow me to put on something more proper before we can
Oh!
begin. Thank God.
Oh!
Oh! Much better. Now, who is ready for the yoga?
My name's Jason.
Jason.
Hi.
Nice.
Cynthia, I can't
Hello,
wait.
Cynthia. Oh, yes.
I don't know what
we
just
have a
happened,
brave
boys.
peacock. Yes,
I'm
sir.
scared.
Yes, yes. Hi. Oh, you
Hi.
must be Veronica.
Yeah, how did you know?
I've read that you have studied the yoga for 5 years.
Oh, well, I mean, just off and on, you know, before the kids
Oh,
came.
nonsense. You know, there is such thing called the muscle memory. And I could tell by looking at your gait, your muscles remember.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Okay, we are going to do the children's position.
Usted.
Head down, buttocks up. Everybody on your mats. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Very nice posture. Yes. Encouragement. So I will transfer you my energy. I will transfer my karma.
Encouragement,
Here
yes.
is my karma on you.
Jason!
You have a great aura. Yes.
Jason!
Guys, don't fuck around. This is what I need you guys to be doing in NASDAQ right now. This right here, encouragement. This is what I need from you.
Encouragement. Yes. This is a great way to stretch.
Yeah.
You see? You could do this with your partner at home. Let's ride this energy out.
Yeah.
Yes, this fire has just started, and we will not put it out.
What is he doing?
I don't really know that pose.
Okay, now we go into the happy baby pose. No. Please regard me.
I'm sorry?
Please, allow me.
To do what?
Regard me.
Okay.
Yes. You are doing fantastic, my dear.
Thank you. Okay.
See, as I gently pulsate,
Okay.
trying to go deeper and deeper, and bring her deeper and deeper into a stretch, yes?
Okay, Fabio, that's enough with the pulsating, please.
Then do it! Yes! Encouragement, my friend. Yes, fantastic progress. Yes, put your shoulders back. Yes. Now feel the energy. Feel that energy. Yes. Through your chest, your peacock chest. Yes. Good. You like that? Yes. Good job. Encouragement. Yes. Great job. There, you need to find your mental equilibrium.
No, my knee, right here.
It's okay, it's okay. Know your limits, yes? There is no giving up in yoga, you know? Encouragement, yes!
Encouragement my ass, Daddy. You ain't even trying.
Look, yoga's not my strong suit.
Yoga's not your strong suit?
Oh, look at this one. This little one is flexible, yes?
Really good.
Oh, fantastic. So you do like the lizard. Now is when we transfer the energy, you see?
Yep, and you just lay everything on top of her?
Yes. Lay it off. Stretch.
That feels pretty good, huh?
Boom. Boom.
What?
Boom.
Am I straight enough here, do you think? Or am I curving a little?
Let me show you. You feel the transfer of the energy.
Well, it feels solid.
It is tantric energy. It is...
Right there, boys. Right there. That's the NASDAQ. That's what we need from you, boys. Right there. Encouragement. What is this shit doing right now, by the way? We get this huge scam pump up, and now what are we doing? What is this? The fuck is this? This better not scam my ass. This better not scam my ass. Oh, give me... I just gave you all that encouragement. I feel solid. Classic, boys. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Give me your peacock chess. All right, this guy's retarded. The Ian show. Ian, brother. Listen, I'm all for, like, a little retardation, but you're kind of, like, just... You're going full-blown retard right now. So I'm going to go put you in timeout, buddy. All right? I would say no hard feelings, but I kind of hope I never see you again. I would say don't take it personally, but I hope you take it personally. Fucking SpongeBob ass profile picture. Look at this fucking guy. Video games and SpongeBob. Black Ops 3. I mean, brother, with all disrespect, go fuck off. You know what I mean? Like, why I don't get it. Like, why are you watching my live? Why would you go on other people's live streams and, like, what are you doing here? You know what I mean? Like, get the fuck out of here. We're here for the vibes, bruh. We're here for the vibes and the encouragement, yes. Take that fucking stupid peacock ass of yours and strut down the fucking road, pal. You feel me? You fucking dodo bird. Oh, anyway. Come on, scam Dak. Fucking A. Scam Dak. The hell are we doing? All right, 11 o'clock macro incoming, I guess, in 8 minutes, boys. We're still at entry after all this time. He rage quit on COD, so he had to come to revenge to the stream. That's, I mean, it's just like, fuck me, man. You know?
I don't enjoy talking to you that way. I don't know why you insist on making me blow my top. We've been on a lot of adventures together, but it seems like you haven't learned anything. Anything. You think on it. I'll be in the limo.
Mother,
he's okay.
tell your children not to.
All right, come on, Naz Quack. Well, boys, I guess we're submitting to the market. We're manipulating time. Did someone say quack? Nika, today might be your day. You think or no? Are you feeling lucky today, Nika? Yeah, macro's gonna make or break us, boys. 15-minute closure incoming at the end of this candle. Hella wicks on the 15. Hella wicks. Bring Nika on live stream. Nika, you want to come on live stream? I'm not going to lie to you, boys. I'm not tech savvy enough to know how to do that off the rip, but I'd have to, like, figure something out. Probably with Discord, probably, huh? Nika, you trying to come on here and call out some turtle soups or what? All right, new 15-minute. It is opening lower. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. Don't be mean. Stop loss. I really don't feel like there should be any reason for it to come back below this low here. If it does, it's probably going to my full stop anyway. So I'm going to move my stop up to 321.50. And let her ride. You hate the chat too much? The chat's not all bad. It's only a couple bad apples that show up from time to time. The chat's mainly good. The chat's mainly filled with some good folk, with a few exceptions. You know what? I think I'm just going to go ahead and delete this IFVG because this IFVG has been inverse probably 18 times by now. So let's just fuck that one up. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the hell out of here. We gonna get stopped? Come on, man. Positive only. Positive vibes only when we're in the trades. It ain't over until the fat lady sings, and I'm the fat lady. It's not over. I'll try to do it right this time around. It's not over. 'Cause a part of me is dead and in the ground. This love is killing me, but I'm the only one. It's not over. You know what I mean? We're gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. Oh, guys, I'm trying everything in the book here. We're drawing lines on charts. We're fucking singing. We're serenading. We're playing YouTube videos, giving it encouragement, peacock chest, and we're still, I mean, holy shit. I don't know. I'm running out of tricks. I'm running out of tricks. Tricks are for kids. Do the marriage speech? What's the marriage speech? The marriage speech? What's that? What happens if a Jew runs into a wall with a boner? I don't know. What happens? Hang on, let me try to guess. What happens if they run into a wall with a boner? I don't know. He break. That's funny. Oh, fuck. All right, guys. Here's the macro. We've held this trade for the entire 10 o'clock hour. Oh, that was exhausting. Hamana, 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 hamana. For the love of all things holy. Also, what was that pump up, by the way? We never we weren't we were watching a YouTube vid at that point. What happened here? Was there anything important? Or was that just like random? What time was that, by the way? 10:30? Straight of Hormuz. No need to spam it, Felix. Felix, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. I almost mistaked you for someone else. Oh my goodness, boys. I mean, if this doesn't play out, I mean, that's just so unfortunate at this point. Fuck, dude, I don't like these wicks, bro. In the macro, it kind of gives me a little heebie-jeebies here. Honestly, if we like close below this low and like reclaim this gap, I might just kill the trade early as well. Honestly, it's got to go here in the macro. If we're not gonna go, then we're not gonna go. The 15-minute chart is fucking disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. The hourly ES chart is also disgusting. Okay. Any minute now, NASDAQ. Any minute now. This is insane, actually. All right, man. My hand is over the flat and all button. If, like I said, if we get a reclaim of that gap in a closure below, I'm probably just gonna kill the trade for a small little paper cut. But I want to let it actually close, though. Let's keep holding it. If we can keep respecting here, finding some support, but moment of truth. Let's watch this 2 minute. There's a gap there. We just filled it. Look at this fucking action, bro. How do I hold through all this shit? You better reward me, NASDAQ, I swear. Reward me, bitch. There ain't no way you made me hold through all of this and you ain't gonna give me a little something. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I picked you up from your house. I opened the door for you. I paid for dinner. I was a total gentleman. I waited. Oh, you're going to be putting out NASDAQ. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Keep screaming. I don't even know what to scream about at this point. I'm actually exhausted from this trade, just sitting in this shit. Ugh. Please. Please. I mean, look at this chop, bro. That is just so fucked. Magic paintbrush. Stupid bitch. Oh, brother. The trend line. Is the trend line gonna win, bruh? Oh, my lordy. Young Chop on the beat. All right, man. We're still holding it for now. I'm kind of waiting for like closure down here instead of it keeps wick rejecting, so I'm giving it a chance. You know, let's see. Coming up on the end of the hour here in a little bit. See if we can get some wick rejection here as we close this hour out. Please. 10 a.m. Silver Bullet, you have been a bish. You like that reaction? At this point, we've had so many like positive reactions that I thought were going to go, like this one. I'm not going to get ahead of myself. I like that we're in the macro and we're not displacing lower. That's a nice sign, I suppose, but yeah, no, we're just back and forth. All right, man. Hourly closes after this candle, and we'll see. Yeah, mental stop is basically like this low. You know, we close down here. I'm out. Just kill the trade. I think, right? Like, yeah, I just don't see. Like, if we're gonna go, we're gonna go. Filled the gaps. Like, we're efficient. We're efficient, man. 30-second. Let's see. Got you know. In order to find anything in your favor, you got to drop down to the 30-second. At this point, it's like, geez. Why? 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 Why me? Why? Yes. Yes. I like that reaction, please. New hourly candle. It just opened up and it traded up instantly. Devil mark here. We're probably going to wick down here, I think, maybe. Maybe, perhaps, possibly, maybe, potentially. $11 a.m., boys. I don't like this no wick here. Come wick down real fast and give us a lower wick, I think. I don't like this. I don't like that. All right, here we go. Here we go, boys. So keeping a real tight mental stop on this at this point, right? Like, closure anywhere down here like 350 or below. I'm probably just out there. So my real stop is, you know, somewhere up in here. My hard stop is set at 321 and a half. But yeah, man, we gotta go if we're gonna go. If we're not gonna go, then I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna try to make this loss as small as humanly possible. 2 macros have come and gone here. It's just crazy. Crazy accumulation here. But I did want to see a lower wick put in here, so we'll see. A lower wick, but not a distribution. My hand is over flat and all, just to be ready here. It looks like I may be pressing it. Yeah, Dow Jones is starting to accelerate lower. Dow Jones did just take out its Asia low. This 3-minute is going to close in 10 seconds as well. Fuck. Wow. This is like truthfully never ending. This is kind of crazy. All right, guys. I think I'm going to close this. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out there for minus $114. So I'm keeping the loss as small as I possibly can. Kind of looks like we're going to just see it accelerate lower here, I think, in this hourly candle. I mean, that's what you just don't want to see if you're bullish. You don't want to see an open high, you know what I mean? Like, you want to see the exact opposite, open low and then distribute the other way. Got the closure there as well. Anyway, yeah. I don't know, man. I was as patient as I could be, dude, really. Good setup, good trade, just absolute accumulation chop. Trying to keep that loss to as much of a minimum as I can. But yeah, dude, I'm out. I am out. No full stop out for me. Execution marks. Why are they not showing up, though? There we go. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, so here's the execution marks, chat. Logic of the trade. Manipulation at open, lower. We got an unfilled hourly gap, 15, like all the unfilled gaps that were left. The hourly gap was kind of the main draw there for me wanting to aim for low-hanging fruit. But yeah, we take out this low, and then we get this really nice V-shaped recovery displacement back up on the 1 minute. Got my entry at this CISD candle here. Literally sat through all of this retracement in profit. I mean, literally just back and forth on entry, in profit, in drawdown multiple times. Man, it's been, yeah, what, 2 hours almost of just chop, so. Yeah, dude, is what it is. So, I think, like I said, I feel like if we were going to go, I feel like we would have went. So, maybe this is going to make another dive here. I don't know. But, yeah, I'm out, boys. If this just reverses and goes straight to TP at this point, honestly, dude, market can get fact. I sang to it. I gave it encouragement. Let me grab a screenshot here. But, yeah, I like the trade. I like the trade here. I would honestly take this setup probably like 10 out of 10 times. To be honest. Let me switch that up. Yeah, if it goes to TP now, dude, I'm actually just killing myself. Trying to get the screenshot in here. Son of a git. Oh, here we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right. Yeah, so fill price, stop loss price, very small, very tight. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with the management overall. Pretty happy with the management overall. I can't control that this is just going sideways. I'm down 114 per account. That's the P&L. Yeah, what do you boys think though? Did you guys? How many people were on board with the long there? I thought it was a good trade. I thought it was good. How many people are still holding? I guess I should ask that. How many people just got full stop and they're just like whatever? It either hits TP or stop loss. That was excruciating, dude. Oh my gosh. What were we trading? Asia session? Toxic trade is saying that you were able to make profit. Yeah. That's my toxic trade too a little bit, but the only thing that we can control is our risk, right? That's obviously one of those old cliche sayings in trading, but it's true. You know, just because it's cliche don't make it not true. Like, I can't control the candles. I just control my risk and when I decide to put risk on and take risk off. Like, come on, man. Like 10 a.m. macro, 10:30, 11 a.m. macro. Like, it's just not cooperating. So, like, At what point do I just say, okay, I'm over this idea? So that's just how my brain works with it. The patience did not pay for me. And if the patience pays for the people that are still holding, I'm going to be salty. I mean, Dow Jones is literally diving right now. Dow Jones is diving, bro. Yeah, we'll watch. I want to watch and see what happens here. I mean, we're at the end of the 11 o'clock macro, so I'll watch for a few more minutes. I just want to see, like, what are we doing? Are we still gonna go higher? Are we gonna finally sell off through this range? We're kind of just wedging up here, obviously, right? Like, trend line here, like, something's got to give. I'm looking for closure, boys. I'm looking for closure. What are we going to do? Oh, what's the likes at, boys? What's the likes at? 113 likes. You're telling me I sat through a trade for 2 hours. I sang for you. We watched YouTube together. After everything we've been through today, this is what you guys do to me. That's how you guys repay me. Giveaway today. Sure, if you guys get to 150 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Just because I'm a nice guy. But I'm going to give this to, like, I don't know. I'm going to give it like 5 more minutes. I just want to watch what happens. 5 more minutes, 150 plus likes, we'll do a giveaway. If you guys would like. But, yeah, dude. Crazy day. Play Apex? No, I don't. Daddy needs a new eval. Yeah, boys. Hey, if you want to support the stream going forward, if you want to keep the streams free and support the channel, it's always appreciated, boys. When you are purchasing your prop accounts, if you do use code Tyler, you know, it's appreciated. The mail privilege is appreciated. We try to add value on the streams. We try to keep it fun when we're bored and just waiting for price to print. But the support is appreciated, chat, as always. And yeah, the more support, the more giveaways we're able to do, which is nice. So you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, huh? But no, yeah, let me know how you guys did today. Let's see. Yeah, the poll ended up being finally like 57% bullish. Let's do a poll. Let's do a P&L check. I'm a little red on the day, but I'm honestly like really happy with the trade I took. I'm really happy with the management. I think I cut it when it made sense to cut it, keeping the loss as low as I can keep it. So, I mean, it's fine. $100. Shit. Shit, we be alright. We be alright, dude. Come on. We be alright. We can come back from that. Shit. Flat. Yeah, let me know, boys. Are we green, red, or flat on the day? Are we green, red, or flat on the day? Hopefully, if you guys are red, you were able to keep the loss small as well. But yeah, this was real choppy, real choppy. I'm not going to lie to you, boys. I really felt so good about this trade when we got this big pump up, insta pump. I was like, oh yeah. But she was short-lived, so. She was short-lived. What can you do? Of course we are red. Not everybody's red. Everybody manages their trades different. Some people probably break even in this trade. I mean, there was definitely a point when, like, when this 11 o'clock hour opened up and we pumped up immediately, I thought about just going break even right away and just saying either we get the run now or we don't get it. I thought about it, you know. I thought about going break even there. So some people maybe had the same inkling to do that because, you know, if we were looking here, like even we had a little gap here on the 1 minute that I'm like, are we really not gonna just totally displace through this thing? You know. And I felt like the hourly open with no lower wick was a little. You guys heard me talking about. I was like, I don't like that. So that was kind of a giveaway as well. But holy shit, this range is never ending. This range is actually never ending. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Look at this 5-minute chart. It's got to go lower, dude. There's no way. There's no way. Went short early this morning. Stop. Got grabbed by 45 points. Damn, dude. Well, Doug, you might be in luck. Maybe you win a giveaway. Maybe you win a giveaway. I'm literally trying to stall because I'm like, what are we gonna do here, dude? Here's to hoping. Try to buy it now. No, I'm good, dude. I'm good. I'm going to let this manipulate one side. This is just literally accumulation, and we are like, you can make a case for this trendline liquidity and this trendline liquidity, and I think just trying to figure out, I mean, I kind of think we're going for the lower first, but I could be wrong, and I would just rather wait for like one side to get taken out and then try to trade the opposing, honestly, at this point. Obviously, if any of us had a crystal ball, you know, if we knew that this was going to be our action today, we all probably would have just slept in and took the day off. So, this is what it is. We do a 10-minute duck race. What was our longest? Did we do like 15 that one time? Or no, we might have did. No, I think we did like 40 minutes. I thought I was doing 40 seconds, and I did 40 minutes. Sweet spot. It kind of just depends on the account size. To be honest, like for 50K accounts, anything like I would say like 500 or less. I don't usually try unless I'm full porting the account. I don't really try to risk more than $500 on those. To be honest, you got to think on a 50K account, 2K margin. So you got if you risk $500, let's say you're on an eval, and you're going for like a 2R. You know, kind of depends. If you're on a 1-day pass eval, like I said, and you're full porting it, then usually I'll just risk like $1,000 or, you know, close to the whole account. But not every account is like that. Let's say you're on a funded account. I would say $500 risk is kind of a lot. If you lose 4 trades in a row, you're going to blow the account. So I usually would recommend, like, you know, if you want a little bit more wiggle room, try to go for like $350 risk per trade. And it just gives you a little bit more breathing room for losses. But everyone treats their accounts different. It's literally just scenario dependent, you know. Some people are really aggressive. Some people are copy trading a lot of accounts, so they're not aggressive. There's no right or wrong answer. It just really depends on the person. All right, guys, hop in the Discord. Hop in the Discord, boys. Hop in the Discord. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, boys. Get in there if you want to do the giveaway, boys. If you want to, I got 3 mentions in the Discord, by the way. Who's yelling at me? What the fuck? Volume and app. Can you watch video during live streaming? I'm assuming this is a male at birth. Oh, Jesus. I was about to delete this because I'm like, bro, I'm not watching a volume analysis. But it turns out he's just sorry, whoever this is. If you ever catch wind of this, this was not my fault. Don't hate me. Blake and a little win there. Nice, nice. Tyrone break even. Was there a spammer in the chat? I'm assuming so. Yeah, it must have been a spammer. Fake investor. Wait. Oh, this is old. Oria. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right, boys. Hop in the Discord. Hop in the Discord. Oh, what do we want to do? This market's literally just not moving. It's insane. It's crazy. Just fucking drop already. I don't know when it's going to drop, but when it drops, it's going to be just like 2 Drake candles down. I'm going to give it 2 minutes, guys. So hop in there quick if you're not in there. 2 minutes going to be a quick one today. We'll do Apex any size eval for this one. We haven't done one in a while. Basically, all last week we were doing all TRADEIFY and Lucid accounts. I got a few more Apex codes to get out, and then we got more Lucid and TRADEIFY for the rest of this week as well. Still, so we got to keep switching it up, boys. Keep switching it up. Any size eval though. Apex description. Choppy AF, bro. Please, God help me. Oh my God. This hurts so much. Owie. All right. All right, if you guys want to be in the Discord, giveaway, hop in here, hit the little giveaway icon. Code will be for Apex any sized evaluation, any platform today. All right, all right, all right. There it is. There's the drop. There's the drop, boys. This is why we cut the trade. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. It's Tyrone. You changed your name, Tyrone? Or wait. Oh, this is your YouTube. Sorry. Tyrone, remind me what happened with you. Wasn't it? Didn't you win like a TRADEIFY account giveaway or something, but you're in Israel or something and it's not allowed? Can you remind me what happened? I already like kind of forgot. I remember the name. Or what was it? Was it something else? Your band? Your band? The country is banned or your band? I know. I think you won a TRADEIFY account giveaway, but then you're like something. Yeah, something was blocking you or something. Israel is banned from TRADEIFY. That is actually kind of funny. Like, why? Why is Israel banned? Is Israel? But Israel isn't banned in other prop firms. Like you can trade in Israel on other props. All right, guys. Giveaway winner picked in 15 seconds. I see you at Lamim. I went over it already. You're probably a little late. In the Discord, click the icon if you're in it. If you're not in it, then gotta be quicker than that. Gotta be quicker. And your winner is, boys and girls, Pinky. Is that Tyler Pinkerton? Is that him? Pinky, what's up? What's up, dude? What's up, Pinky? Dude, I love the hat, man. Fuck yeah. Pinky, are you in the chat? Congrats, congrats, congrats. Let's see if he's in the chat. Bet it's not banned on Top Step. Pinky, where are you? Pinky! Don't be shy, Pinky. Come on. There he is. There's Pinkerton. Is that him? Is that you? The only reason that I remember that is just the last name is, how do you forget, Pinkerton, and his first name, we have the same first name, so it was easy to remember. I was just guessing, but that is Tyler Pinkerton. Dude, fuck yeah. Is that you? If so, congrats, dude. Giveaway is rigged, goes to Tyler. Yeah, that's my alter ego, boys. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. All right, man. Submit a ticket in the Discord. I'll give you the code here in a little bit. But yeah, Tyrone. What do you guys think, boys? So Tyrone won a TRADEIFY account. I think this was a while ago now. And his country was banned. His country was banned from the TRADEIFY account. So I re-gave away the code to obviously somebody that wasn't in a banned country. But should I give him an Apex code? I think Apex apparently is available in Israel. You guys think that's fair, or what do you guys think? Or is it tough knuckles? I'm asking truthfully because I got only like 2 Apex codes left, so I'd be obviously just kind of forfeiting one. You think it's fair to give him an Apex one? I'm trying to be fair. I'm trying to be fair, boys. I'm trying to be fair. I'm a fair host. I'm a fair dictator of the YouTube chat. I'm fair. Listen, I'm fair. But I feel it should go without saying, you know, that if somebody listen, if your country is banned, and let's say we're doing a giveaway for a TRADEIFY account or a LUCID account or whatever, if your country is banned and you win the code, why is that my fault? You know what I'm saying? Why is that my problem? Don't join the giveaway. But Tyrone, yeah, if you're still listening, man, I will honor it. I will honor it this time around because I'm a nice guy. But going forward, anybody in here, do not enter. Just don't enter giveaways if you're in a banned country because it's just, you know what I mean? It's unfortunate, but it makes it messy. But yeah, Tyrone, hit me up with another ticket. So it kind of bops to the top of the inbox here, and I'll give you a code for Apex. But yeah, congrats Tyler as well on the giveaway today. We got more giveaways the rest of the week, boys and girls. So you know, keep showing up, keep slapping the like button, slap the base, and we'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow, man. We'll be back tomorrow. Really, really choppy price action today. Was able to save a full loss here after holding through 2 macros. Cut it very, very short there for a $114 loss per account. So yeah, don't worry. We'll make it right. Don't worry. We'll make it right, chap. We'll make it right. I was just teasing. You guys get so sensitive. Don't get so sensitive. Let me troll the chat a little bit. It's fun. It's fun. I get why you guys do it. But all right, guys, enjoy your Monday. I'll be back live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you'd like to support the stream, again, code Tyler with whatever firm of your choosing. Appreciate you, boys and girls. As always, hit the like button on your way out. Have a great Monday. Be safe. And I will see you, naughty boys and girls, back here tomorrow morning, everybody. All right? Enjoy your day, guys. Peace and love.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Shorts on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing shots on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age, every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.